Oh, gross. Yeah, I just wanted to videotape. So much gooks coming out of you. Oh, I know. There, good boy. Stay there. Good boy. I should add some context. This is what a horse looks like when he's choking. He's got a lot of saliva and snot coming out of his nose. So horses can't regurgitate, like throw up, like other species can. So they really just need to work it out. Really, our main concern is, can he breathe? Yes. Does he have a lot of saliva and stuff coming out? Because that's what's helping to lubricate inside of his throat. And then the after effects, we have to watch for any lung infections, you know, like pneumonia, for anything being in his, if he breathed anything into his lungs. So I do have some antibiotics that will give him once he's kind of past this, which I think he is. Honestly, we're supposed to take the hay out so he doesn't eat while he's in the middle of this, but he's in a calmer state right now, which is good. And this is Smokey. Look at, he's growing. Look at him, he's turning into a little boy. So yeah, we're just gonna keep an eye on him and then give him some antibiotics after. Poor little dude. It's just more or less an inconvenience of life. Doesn't happen very often, but it can look scary and traumatic while it is happening. Just because they can't throw up. If horses could have thrown up, this would have been dealt with a long time ago. That is so pretty. Do you get the view from right over there? Oh, I'll have to walk over there after the horses settle.
Yeah, this is Mike's cabin.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Let me try to set this up. This is, it's bending my reel. Shoot. I don't know if I could do this at the same time. It's bending my rod. I got a sweet one on. Yeah, buddy. Oh my gosh, look at that rod bend. Heck yeah, it's a huge fish. Oh, it's massive. Woo! Woo! Okay, I'm gonna put you there. Heck yeah, I did. Oh my gosh, get over here. It's like cruising around everywhere. It's huge. Come here, buddy. Oh my gosh. Yes. Check this out. Massive. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Beauty. Okay, let's get this off. Hold on, buddy. I forgot my pliers. There you go, buddy. That's awesome. That was an awesome catch.